Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to RVOA. This is gonna be a different type of video than I normally do, and it's probably gonna be shorter than the normal videos. I've recorded a lot of content throughout this video. I'll probably input some of those things that I had recorded that I kind of wanted to do for this week. Ooh, got to, didn't it? Don't lie. I ended up just very unhappy with it. I've recently invested in myself and the channel and the trailer a lot. As you can see, the camera follows me now. So I have a DJI Gimbal, and it follows me, it tracks me, so I don't need a cameraman anymore. I did an entire cooking segment that I wanted to show you guys. First episode of Cooking with Carl. I'm your host, silky smooth little Carl. Let's get right into it, shall we? I didn't like the camera angle I had. It was terrible. It was way up there, and it was on the side of my face the whole time. Even though I had a front camera angle just on the food, you didn't see my face for the entire cooking thing, and I wasn't a fan of that. Like this, I can still cook, chop up some food, look up, y'all are still here, chop some food, y'all are still here. So yeah, I recently invested and I got a gimbal. Okay, it's pretty fast. Like I said, and this is the little feet for it. But the feet also, this is what I think is important to invest in yourself. Right now I have the quick change, the quick shift on for my tripod that the gimbal's on. But I can also do things like this now, because I have this handle. I can do like a little vlog with this camera, or I can get low ground shots, which I couldn't do before, mainly because no tripod is really that small. And so yeah, now that I have this, a lot more angles, the gimbal, a lot more options, a lot more quality of life options, the microphone, a lot more options. I recently got the tarp. As y'all can see, the tarp is covering the window, so I recently got the tarp for the top. And I actually got some rollers. So once we get the primer and the sealant, we'll be in there to seal everything up all nice. A video capture adapter so I can play video games and stuff on live stream. And also you need this for your camera to work. You need that for your camera to work on live or to work as a streaming camera. So yeah, I've been investing in myself and the channel and the trailer very heavy, and I hope it shows going forward in the future. I just wanted to let y'all know why there's not a really long video or an actual video of substance this week. Yeah, I found out what was wrong with the furnace. So by far the most frustrating thing I've done so far, I've banged about every single knuckle on my hand. The multimeter has clamp, it's a clamp multimeter, so that should come in handy for pretty much any project. It does DC, AC voltage, so any plugs or anything trailer related, that'll come in handy for the future. Like I said, I'm investing in myself. I only get things if I know they're gonna come in handy in the future. Alright, so as you can see, we completely have the furnace out, and we have it outside the cage as well. Okay, so I take it outside the cage so I can reach all the electronics inside of here. Yeah, so sorry about not having a long video this week. Like I said, I'll probably stitch some things together and show y'all what I tried to do. Like I said, I recorded some of me messing with the furnace, but I got so angry and so frustrated, I just didn't want to post that stuff. And with the tarp, it was a struggle. It was so windy. I'm only including this, so I want you to see how windy it is when I put this on. Sorry about the audio. I know it's gonna suck, but I want you to understand how windy it was. It was not an easy task, but we got it done. It was so windy, and I'm also pretty afraid of heights. When I'm just standing up there, like I can ride roller coasters all day, but just sitting up on heights, just knowing that I'm up high, freaks me out. So yeah, I didn't get to record that, but I did show a little bit of I should have a little video of the beginning and the end product. I'm happy with it. Let me know if it's satisfactory. I did it by myself, so most people usually get contractors or a group to do their tarp, so I'm pretty proud of myself. It wasn't the easiest task, but we got it done. The wind kind of helped, low key, but yeah, man, I really appreciate y'all stopping in every week. I appreciate y'all stopping in for the live streams. I even tried to live stream me doing the tarp, because that was like the most hands-off way I could do it. Set up the camera and let y'all just watch me. But even then, the wind was messing up the Wi-Fi so bad. I've tried everything. I was even trying to stream. So yeah, this is what I've come down to. Kind of just letting y'all know what's going on. Next week, we'll have a lot more action. I'll be in depth. I should have the furnace fixed. I know what's wrong with it. I just need a few pieces to order, and then we'll get into that and show y'all everything, because I'll have a clearer head. I won't be frustrated. And yeah, like I said, we got the roof covered. That's a W. That's progress. We got rollers for the roof as well. More progress. Thank you Rambo, for the do-rags. I appreciate it. Hopefully, I got tired of y'all making fun of me wearing my bonnet. So yeah, rocking the do-rag. I wear a bonnet in the shower. I wear my do-rags to bed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me this week. On Saturday, I have a live stream where we're going to be having a fireside chat. So we're going to be making a fire. We're all going to sit around the fire, talk. If you join the Discord, you can actually get a chance to talk in the live stream. We're probably going to be talking about Bigfoot. We're going to be talking about Bigfoot, the future of the channel, and even why I've been thinking about maybe quitting RV life. So click the bell so you get notified when we go live Saturday. I appreciate you hanging out. That's all for me today. RVOA, out.